Hello everyone, this is Nwa'ndo, Ume-Nwagbo with Smithers and Ume-Nwagbo LLC, and this is another edition of Notes from My Legalpad, the Employment Law Edition. So today we are going to focus on employers and employees. In this day and time of COVID-19 and coronavirus, there are lots of things spinning out in the air. There are lots of information, some of it true, some of it absolutely not true. And it's more important than ever to have the employers and employees actually communicate and talk to each other. So I'm going to give you some tips to guide those conversations. First, we're going to focus on the employees and tips to help them have those conversations. First of all, don't assume the worst. Don't assume the best. Basically, don't assume anything. If you hear information and you're not sure what was said or why it's being said, stop the person and ask, hey, can you repeat that please? I don't quite understand this. And the person speaking, probably your boss, should be able to explain to you why the information is necessary. The more we prolong asking questions, the more we refuse to ask the questions, that's when we're more likely to get in trouble. So please stop and say, hey, I need information. All right. Secondly, communicate with your bosses as early as possible and as often as possible. The best time to tell your boss that you have an appointment is probably not 5 minutes before you have to leave the office. Go ahead and let them know. If you know a week ahead of time, if you know 2 weeks ahead of time, heck, if you know a month ahead of time, that is the best. The more time you can give them to prepare and plan, the better for you and the better for your bosses. Third, follow all social distancing guidelines. This is not a time to wing things. This is not a time to, oh, I think I can't. No. Follow all social distancing guidelines. If your boss says, hey, stay 6 feet apart, please stay 6 feet apart. Hey, stay 8 feet apart if you have to. Please, 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 at all times, keep all social distancing guidelines. Mask up. I know this is controversial. I know this is a movement to not mask up, but right now, I don't think anybody needs to be stupid. So, sorry. Mask up at all times, please. If you have been exposed to the coronavirus, please stay your behind at home. I'm sorry, there's no other way to say this. This is not a time to test and see how many people I can give it to, how many people I don't give it to. Cut those games out, please. If you have been exposed, if someone in your family has been exposed, for your sake and for everybody's sake, please stay home until you've been tested and given the all clear to go back to work, please. If you would like more information about any of these videos, please go to www.stulawgroup.com. We are also on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Thank you.